growing food is only part of the story. Building a thriving business completes it. Welcome to Module C, the Market Gardening Business, where you'll develop the management, financial, digital, and interpersonal skills that turn sustainable ideas into lasting enterprises. In Learning Unit 9, you'll discover how project management tools help you plan, organize, and grow your business efficiently. Learning Unit 10 focuses on budgeting, teaching you to record costs, classify resources, and make informed financial decisions. In Learning Unit 11, you'll strengthen your entrepreneurial mindset, developing communication, teamwork, and leadership skills that drive innovation and resilience. Learning Unit 12 introduces digital skills for agricultural business, from online marketing to data security and digital transformation planning. Finally, Learning Unit 13 explores customer relations and management, showing how trust, communication, and community engagement can secure long-term growth. By the end of this module, you'll be ready to manage every aspect of your market gardening business, cultivating success from the ground up.